Daryl from Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our 6 p.m. update. Woo! The OG in the house. Hopefully you guys having a great evening in Asia. Hopefully you're winding down a fantastic day. Hopefully you guys have had a blessed day. Hey, and to my friends and the supporters and subscribers in America, you guys are just waking up. Hopefully you got your cup of joe. Are you guys ready to set forth and have a fantastic day, guys? Hey, I just want to say a big shout out to all of my friends, subscribers out there. Woo! Don't forget to smash the likes right now. Smash those likes right now for the OG in the house. Don't forget to subscribe right down there. You guys, you know you want to subscribe. And guys, watch out for nasty scammers in the comments. Sometimes they pretend to be me and they ask you to contact them through WhatsApp. I'm never going to do that, so just watch out, guys. And remember, none of this is financial advice. It's just me expressing my opinion. Woo! So let's jump into content today. We got lots to talk about. We got to talk about BTC price. We're going to talk about, Dogecoin soon, 30 cents, 50 cents, $1 incoming this year. So let's talk about that. Let's go into talk about why it's going to happen. We're going to talk about Bitcoin supercycle, why $30,000 is such a critical level, and we're going to have a huge bounce, I think, coming really soon, probably in the early fall, August, September, October-ish. We're going to see a huge bounce back, and that's going to take Dogecoin to all-time highs soon. So let's jump into content right now. And before we do that, please go back and we've got a whole bunch of really great videos. I recommend everybody watch this one right here. This was more about important for all Dogecoin holders, and this was really talking about and aimed at new investors, what kind of strategy they should take, what kind of psychology they should be using when investing, and some of the top 10 pitfalls that you should avoid if you're a new investor. So I recommend that everybody go back and watch this and comment, smash the likes. This video is not only about Dogecoin, but it's also about a really great trading strategy, trading advice, and I think you guys should definitely go back and watch that. All right, guys. So let's jump into the content right now. So let's talk about where Doge is right now. Let me just get in there. Let's blow that up. All right, let me move my face over because you guys don't want to see my face. You guys want to see the information. So you can see right now that today it's been kind of an up and down day. Early in the morning in Asia, we were still down below the critical support level, and we saw that critical support level here at 19,324. So we've retested that. We're just above the support level now, and that's really good news. So you saw that we had a bearish flag here, and that took us all the way down to as low as 1900 and around about the low of 1900 basically. So we've come back again. We're above our support level. We need to stay above there. Right now we're just gingerly above that. So we really need to stay above that, and we still have this incredible resistance at the 20-day EMA, and it just keeps pounding us, guys, pounding, and you can see that the 20-day EMA is still floating in a downward direction, and we really need to break out above that if we're going to see any upside. So when are we going to see 30 cents? Well, I don't think we're going to be seeing 30 cents until after July 28th. That's going to be really critical. I think people are waiting on the sidelines. I think we're going to see Bitcoin basically is going to be going sideways, and that's what it's been doing. It's been really range bound here between it's gone as low as 29 here, and as high as 36. So we're basically going to be range bound right now, and this range is getting narrower and narrower, and I believe that $30,000 is a very key support right here. 30,000 is a very key support, and as long as we don't go below 30,000, I believe that we're still in the fall, that Bitcoin is going to enter into a super cycle, and we're going to blast off past all-time highs. I believe that a $100,000 Bitcoin is definitely going to be incoming soon, and when that happens, you know what's going to happen to the Doge. My Doge is going to blast off. woo, to the moon. I can hear the rocket fuel slowly being put into the rocket, preparing for the September-October blast off. So, I believe that we could see 30 cents coming in fairly shortly, guys, and that's just a matter of time. I would say that by the 28th of July, once we have that congressional meeting and that's all finished and complete, and I don't believe the SEC is going to do much. I think they're just going to take a stand back kind of attitude. I believe that they're going to bring up the issues of stablecoin tether. That's probably about it from that perspective, and I think they're going to leave everything much alone. So once that meeting is finished, I think we're going to be pretty cool, pretty okay, and I think we're going to see Bitcoin is going to start to take off. All right, guys, so let's jump into the markets first. Let's jump into the markets. So right now, our market cap is 1.34 trillion, and that's just up over 1% right now. And Bitcoin dominance is 45.6. And later, we're going to check out the crypto daily trade signals portfolio, and we're going to see how we're doing. All right, so Bitcoin right now is trading at 32,603. Like I said, we're pretty much range bound between 30 and 35,000. That's kind of like the range that we're seeing. Ethereum is up 1.6% in 24 hours, but we dropped down below a $2,000 support level. So let's see how where you guys can take the ball in America. Maybe you can take it up. Maybe you can take it down. It's kind of a balancing act if we're going to go up or down, and that will be dependent upon the U.S. North American markets, because the Asian markets are basically closed now. The European markets are in control, and we're seeing that things are going down, not going up, with the exception of some coins. So BNB is storming back, and it's up at 5.22%, and that's at $316. ADA is coming back a little bit at $1.25, and that's not even 0.5%, guys. So nothing really to worry about. Now, what really concerns me is Dogecoin right now. My Doge in the house is at 19.4, and we're basically at 0%. So it's pretty tricky. We could go either up or down. So let's see if and when and how that's going to materialize. So you guys need to keep your eyes on the market for a couple hours and see how we go. I mean, I can't really predict at this point if we're going to be up or down. My gut says that 50-60% we're going down today when American markets open. So I really don't know right now, but I have a feeling that if we cannot keep above the 19.3 support line, if we go down below that, then we could see some negativity there. Now we do have a mini support line around about here that's just forming around 18.8. So let's see if you guys just need to keep above that support line. Otherwise, we're gonna go back down again. So we're still above my purple rain line. So that's really good. This is a 50-day EMA. This is way far away. Let's not even talk about this. Is 200-day EMA. That right now. That's a dream shot. That's a dream shot at 23 cents. So that's a dream shot. What we really need to focus on, we really need my Doge army, my Doge tribe. We need to really focus on the 20-day moving average, and we also need to focus on the key levels for Bitcoin. And Bitcoin is just range bound, and basically Dogecoin is following suit, and it is basically range bound. It's range bound with a slight downward momentum. You can see here if I extend my purple line. But as long as we stay above the purple line, we'll be okay. But, we are going down slowly. So we need to really stay above that 19 cent level. All right, so let's jump into some news. News. So you can see here there's some new data that hints that Bitcoin price action has spent 2 months at 30,000. We all know that. We can feel it. It's pretty much in the doldrums, right, guys? So Bitcoin definitely has been at 30,000. But what they're really talking about here is that there's some key Fibonacci levels that we need to break out of, and that's a 1.618 extension, which in two prior cycles were tested, And when those Fibonacci levels were broken, we saw that there was a major upside. See, you can see this upside here in 2017. There was an upside when that major Fibonacci was broken. Let me see if we can blow those up for you. So when that major Fibonacci level was broken, we saw a major upside. Also, we saw that's where we are today. So we need to stay above that and get above that to break out to our next super cycle. We saw that here in 2013. Once we got past the 1.68 fib level, we had a huge upside. So I think this is just the beginning of, I believe there's going to be there's definitely going to be a super cycle. So it's the importance for Bitcoin, if we're going to enter in that super cycle and hit all-time highs again, we need to stay above 30,000. So I believe we can do that. The data suggests that we're going to do that, and I just believe that we're going to do that. And we should be hitting that super cycle sometime in fall, winter time, guys. So you guys just need to buckle up, be patient, don't have paper hands, don't be weak, Nancy. Stop wetting the bed. Just keep an eye on Bitcoin. As long as we can stay above 30,000 average, and we can stay up, and we can get past that 1.68 fib, then we should see ourselves moving up in a super cycle and boom, hitting all-time highs, no sweat, and 100,000 K coming in, guys. So that's really interesting. So in previous videos, I was talking about the FBI warning. I was talking about exploits, ransomware. Bondly Finance, which is a DeFi trading platform, has had an exploit. So they've advised all of their customers to stop trading on their platform. More than 60% then had a huge drop. Their Bondly Finance token had a 60% drop when they had a compromise from unknown parties. So decentralized e-commerce platform Bondly Finance, in its latest decentralized finance platform, to suffer an alleged exploit. The developer team advised DeFi community to stop trading and the Bondly platform native token following a suspected exploit on the July 15th. There's not really any information. All they can say is that there was a huge price drop because of the exploit, and their token drop went down $373 million. But they really haven't given any more details of what actually happened. And, so you guys just need to keep cool. Remember, secure your crypto on your exchanges. Don't forget to have your two-factor authentication in. So they've had stuff like flash loans, rug pull attacks, so it's not uncommon. So guys, just keep an eye on things. Definitely something's happening out there. There's going to be more cyber attacks happening. So Ethereum right now, also, if we look at jumping to Ethereum whales go on a buying spree. Top 10 addresses now own 20% of all ETH. And once again, this is basically big whales accumulating as much Ethereum as they can and moving those off exchanges. So Ethereum super supremacy, ETH adds over 5 million unique addresses in 30 days. So data at Sentiment shows that the top 10 addresses have upped their holdings by 2% in the past month, leading them to own about 20.58% of all Ethereum supply in the market right now. So, and it's divided equally up between 10 wallets. So we're seeing that even Ethereum has come down off its all-time high of about 4K. It's bounced, went as low as almost 1860, and we're going back up again to around about 2000, which is our main support level. So we're staying there, and this is in preparation for the super cycle that's coming in the winter. I believe that we're going to get 10K Ethereum coming. Absolutely. You can see that ETH exchange reserves plummet amidst accumulations. So you're seeing, once again, same with Bitcoin, the amount of Bitcoin and Ethereum being taken off exchanges and moved to hard wallets is absolutely the highest it's ever been. And this is just amazing, guys. So, Ethereum is down 26 million by June 2021. So it's huge. There's a huge amount of Ethereum being taken off the wallets, guys, off the exchanges. So this just goes to show that something huge is absolutely happening, guys. You guys need to just get prepared. Don't panic. If you're starting to sell your coins and panic sell and go crazy right now, you're going to miss one of the biggest super cycles, I believe, in the history of crypto coming this winter. You can see that Bitcoin is coiling up, ready for huge explosion. You can see that Dogecoin is heading for a huge explosion. It's going to happen. It's just a matter of time. Don't panic. Don't be wet Nancy's. We're going to get there together. Woo! So let's just take a look at the Crypto Daily Trade Signal portfolio right now. As you know, we're underwater. We're down around about just down about 4%. And our total value of our portfolio is $4,754, guys. So guys, don't panic. This is very normal. We're seeing a bit of a consolidation, a little bit of a correction. Have diamond hands. Don't have paper hands. Be careful. There's more cyber attacks that are going to happen. And look for a big bounce for Dogecoin. I think we could be heading up to 30 cents soon after the end of the month or first week in August. So I definitely am bullish. The super cycle is about to happen. We're going to get there together. We're absolutely going to get there together. And it's time for the Doge spreading love. Doge spreading love. Doge spreading love. So you guys need to hashtag Doge spreading love in all of your social media right now. Do it right now, guys. And remember, support the channel. Get the message out there. Get the message out there right now, guys. And, copy all of the video links into your socials. Share the message. Go back and watch the other videos, guys. And once again, guys, I want you guys to have a blessed day. Don't forget to smash the likes, guys. Smashy the likes. Leave a comment. What do you think about this? Are we going to get a super cycle? And when do you think the super cycle is going to happen? I think it's going to happen in the fall, September, October area. And then when we get into November and December, that's when we're going to start to see Bitcoin getting close to 100K. That's when we're going to see Dogecoin getting close to $1. Tell me what you think in the comments right now. Guys, smash the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. Hit it right now. And guys, check out my links below. I've got merch. Check out the merch, t-shirts, cups, bags. We got the channel t-shirts. We've got the Doge Army t-shirts. We got the Wet Nancy t-shirts. Who doesn't want to wear one of those? No Wet Nancy t-shirts. You guys, no Weak Nancy t-shirts. You guys want to get it. Check out my NFT collection below. Buy the channel a coffee. Support charity. Remember, all of the merch, coffees, it goes to charity. And guys, it's fantastic. We're still in lockdown here. It's raining outside, so we cannot even sit on the balcony. We're in lockdown. This is day 2 of the lockdown. It's boring, guys, I'm telling you. The internet is slow because I guess everybody's stuck at home using the internet. It's raining. Nobody's on the street. It's crazy. So guys, be blessed. I love you guys to death. Remember, share the video on your Twitter social feeds. Get it out there. Spread the message. And I'll see you in the next one at 9 o'clock, guys. Be peaceful. Be blessed. Spread a little love. The OG says spread a little love. So I'm still pumped up even though I'm on day 2 of the lockdown. Boring. But guys, just want to say thank you for being part of this journey. I'll see you later at 9 p.m. I can't wait to get it.